E for MarketWizards.com and eMiningWizard.com. On the 11th of July, 2019, it's about 11:25. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. All right, we had talked about a range type trade. Quick review. We've already got a nice V bounce. I'm still thinking range for now. We'd suggested try to get to the convenient trade, try to get to the half gap. I said, I think we're going to close the gap. And part of that was because we never closed yesterday. So I felt better odds today for a little bit deeper pullback. It gets threatening down here, but we still stuck to our guns and said that, it's a range type trade. I wanted to see how this 96.25 reacted. I felt this would be an important idea. Anybody that's taking a long side trade from deep support should be paid by 03.5 to 04. So far, range type trade. We looked at this chart for that 96.25 idea as a potential support box, trading box, resistance box. So far, that's still true. And if you want to think more aggressively, then you've got to take this and say, okay, that's my resistance. This is now my trading box to be determined, and this is my support. We also talked about this chart that we wanted to keep an eye on, this 95 to 94. Basis this chart, that could be supportive. We said that this was a neckline right here that we thought was pretty steep. We talked about the idea of a one-legged stool with termites, but not being negative, just being more of a range type trade. We talked about the importance of 93.75 as supportive. And that was from this chart. Were our last known lows from yesterday, where we had called this double in here as supportive. So that's still support until broken. Talked about the angels and demons. Got the 97.25 angel that got triggered, and it's come right back up, trying to hunt again the demon, which we've got at 5.5. We know the targets we've talked about upside if we do break out, and the backside support. This is a range type trade over and under the blue line, supported back here at the 91s, 92s. And we said that it appears this 10-minute chart is the chart that's in play right now, because we've held the blue line. We've held the rain line. So we are basically in this range for now, and this is a range type trade. So once you identify the support chart, then you can scale it back and go to your 5. Which is our normal chart, and say, okay, over and under, over and under. But you can see the pattern of that 10-minute chart trying to hold right now. So reasonable morning, but certainly no big type move. We did not think we would get a big move upside or downside. So my suggestion to traders, if you've made something, keep it. It's a good day to go play golf, a good day to play with the kids or go to the pool or whatever. The market's doing some consolidation. Hope you had a good morning. Lock profits. Lunch will be coming up. We may get a little bit more volatility during lunch, but you can't count on it this time of year. So primary trade, get your work done. Primary trade today was was down again from yesterday, but much smaller range, but fairly neutral because of the V bounce. We're really both sides are defending their turf right now. Hope you had a good morning. Got a couple of errands to run, so I'm going to be out. Don't know if I'll get back in time. Definitely be going lunch, and don't know if I'll get back for afternoon, but I will post if I see something on my phone or whatever. But we already know the levels we've talked about.